This week's NVDA trade update is coming to you from the passenger seat on Interstate 40. I'm riding on a donut tire on the way home from our beach house on Oak Island. We went there to talk about whether it's time to downsize, and maybe that decision deserves a video of its own. But even with all that going on, this week's trade paid for a pair of new tires. That's one thing I love about options trading. You can make money from anywhere, even the side of the road. Both the cash secured put and the covered call are expiring out of the money today, so I'm going to roll them both out 1 week for maximum income. There are no bids on the $170 cash secured put, so I'm going to leave that one to expire at the end of the day and just sell another one expiring on November 21st. I open the order form. That order has filled. So let's move to the covered call and roll it out as well. Even when life throws me a flat tire, the trades keep rolling. If you'd like to learn how to trade safely and build consistent income like this, visit my website. You'll find books, free resources, and a 12-week email journey that walks you through everything, step by step. It's very close to the money, so it's going to cost about $60 to close, and I should receive about $730 for the new covered call expiring next week. I do have the option of rolling it up to $195 and still getting a pretty solid net credit. So since the premiums are really good here rolling it up, I think I'm going to go ahead and roll it up to $195. I know I was originally planning to roll it straight out, but I can get more than $400 rolling it up and open myself to an additional $5 of potential capital gains. So I'm going to take that route. Change the new strike price to $195, and I see a bid of $444 for that. I'll ask for $445. Both of these orders filled right away. I received $135 for the cash secured put and $453 for the roll on the covered call. Let's get those on the spreadsheet. A return of $134.34 on $17,000 of collateral with a 7-day holding period comes out to a 41.21% annualized return. I'm going to note here that I rolled this covered call up to $195. I'm using $18,900 as the collateral value because that is the value of the shares and the amount that I could receive if I sold them today. A return of $451.68 on $18,900 gives me a very respectable, more than respectable, 124.61% annualized return, and that doesn't even include the $500 in potential capital gains that I could receive if these shares sell at $195. So these are great rolls today, and the $586 that I just made will pay for the new set of tires that I'm going to need to buy. Quick sum of total expense and income since I opened the position. Out of pocket, $21,877.33 divided by 150 shares brings my average investment per share down to just under $146. Let me get my color coding right. This position is now closed. I'll wait and color this one at the end of the day after it actually expires. I have a new cash secured put and a new covered call. This was a good day for my NVDA position.